Hello everyone, myself Shweta Dubal from Delonic Society's Baramati College of Pharmacy, Bharanpur, Baramati. Today here I am presenting a practical based webinar on preparation and standardization of sodium thiosulfate under the guidance of Mr. Sri Krishna Bavkar sir. So let's start the practical with aim. Aim of the practical: to prepare and standardization of 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate solution. The experiment is referred from Practical Pharmaceutical Chemistry First Nirali publication by Kasturi A.V., Vadodkar S.G. and Gokhale S.B. Now the required apparatus: first burette, conical flask, volumetric flask, digital balance which is used to measure weight or mass, pipette, beaker, etc. Required chemicals are sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3, potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, hydrochloric acid HCl, and potassium iodide Ki, the starch solution which is used as an indicator. Principle or theory of the practical: sodium thiosulfate solution is standardized against potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7, in presence of hydrochloric acid and potassium iodide HCl and Ki respectively. Potassium dichromate oxidizes the iodide ion in acidic medium to equivalent amount of iodine. The iodine formed in the reaction oxidized sodium tetrathionate, that is Na2S4O, and the end point is detected by starch solution. या रिॲक्शन पाहिल्यानंतर थेअरी आपल्याला अजून सोप्यारित्या समजली जाईल. पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट प्लस 6 मोल्स ऑफ पोटॅशियम आयोडाईड प्लस 14 मोल्स ऑफ हायड्रोक्लोरिक ॲसिड combined together to form 3 moles of iodide, 2 moles of chromium chloride, 8 moles of potassium chloride and 7 water molecules. Here potassium dichromate oxidizes the iodide ion in acidic medium. Now the iodine formed in this reaction, that is I2, oxidizes sodium tetrathionate ion, that is Na2S4O. So here is the reaction: sodium thiosulfate plus iodine gives sodium tetrathionate plus sodium iodide. Hence, based on above theory, our aim is to prepare and standardize sodium thiosulfate using potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7, and potassium iodide, that is Ki, in presence of hydrochloric acid HCl and starch solution as indicator. So procedure of this practical is mainly carried out in 3 steps. First, preparation of 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate solution. First, approximately we take 0.791 gram of sodium thiosulfate on paper weighed by using digital balance and transferred into clean 100 ml glass bottle. Second, the 100 ml deionized water, that means distilled or purified, is added to dissolve the powder. The solution is shaken thoroughly, by which it mixes properly and we obtain uniform concentration. In short way, we can prepare sodium 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate solution by 0.790 gram sodium thiosulfate plus 100 ml distilled water. Second, preparation of starch indicator. About 10 gram soluble starch is suspended in 100 ml water. 15 gram of potassium hydroxide KOH pellets. Pellets means very small metal ball, added into the solution and stirred until dissolved. The solution diluted with 900 ml water. इथं आपल्याला आपण जे 0.05 मोलार सोडियम थायोसल्फेट प्रिपेअर केलं तिथं आपण 100 ml डिस्टिल्ड वॉटर आणि त्यानंतर स्टार्च इंडिकेटरमध्ये 900 ml वॉटर. सो आपलं टोटल सोल्युशन 1000 ml वॉटर. Then third point, standardization of 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate. First, potassium dichromate powder, that is K2Cr2O7, was oven dried at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Oven dried means dried at a temperature above that of boiling point. इथं आपल्याला पोटॅशियम डायक्रोमेट पावडरला ओव्हन ड्राईड करायचं आहे, म्हणजे त्यात जे मॉइश्चर असेल ते रिमूव्ह होऊन जाईल आणि कोणतीच इम्प्युरिटी ते कॅरी करणार नाही. त्यानंतर 2 ग्रॅम ऑफ डायक्रोमेट डिझॉल्व इन वॉटर अँड डायल्युटेड टू एक्झॅक्टली 500 ml वॉटर. त्यानंतर 2 ग्रॅम डायक्रोमेट आपल्याला 500 ml वॉटरमध्ये डायल्यूट करायचं आहे. त्यानंतर 3 ग्रॅम ऑफ पोटॅशियम आयोडाईड डिझॉल्व्ड इन 45 ml ऑफ वॉटर इन 500 ml आयोडीन फ्लास्क. Iodine flask is as similar to conical flask, which is used to determination of iodine. Then 10 ml of 3 molar HCl solution was added in the iodine flask, which already carry potassium iodide solution. Then 50 ml of dichromate pipette into mixture of Ki and HCl. आपण जे डायक्रोमेट पावडरचं सोल्युशन बनवलं आहे त्यातून 50 ml पिपेट आउट करून घ्यायचं आणि ते नंतर पोटॅशियम आयोडाईड आणि हायड्रोक्लोरिक ॲसिडचं जे सोल्युशन आपण आयोडीन फ्लास्कमध्ये ठेवलं आहे त्यामध्ये ते पिपेट आउट करायचं. द सोल्युशन स्टिर जेंटली and kept in dark for 5 minutes. It diluted with 100 to 200 ml of water and then titrated with 0.05 molar sodium thiosulfate until the solution is light yellow in color. जोपर्यंत लाईट येलो कलर आपल्याला मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत ते सोल्युशन टायट्रेट करत राहायचे. व्हेन वी ऑप्टेन लाईट येलो कलर we have to add 4 ml of starch indicator added and titration was continued slowly to green endpoint. Volume of sodium thiosulfate Vs was used or recorded. Now the observation of this experiment given in this table. Here we take 3 different readings. Initial burette reading is at always 0. Then the final readings are 3.2, 3.4 and 4.4 respectively. The difference between initial and final burette readings are 3.2, 3.4 and 4.4 respectively, by which we obtain mean burette reading, that is 3.6. Formula for molarity of standardized 0.0 molar sodium thiosulfate is equal to 2.039 into weight of dichromate used in grams per volume of thiosulfate used, that is Vs in ml. Calculations: molarity of K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, given weight is equal to 2 gram. So 2 gram we dilute 500 milli water. So for 0.4 gram it becomes 100 milli, and for 0.04 gram it reduces up to 10 ml. By using this formula, molarity of given sample is equal to 2.039 into weight of K2Cr2O7 per mean burette reading is equal to 2.039 into 0.04 per 3.6. By calculating this, we obtain answer 2.02 molar. Report: molarity of given sodium thiosulfate according to process is 0.02 molar. Special thanks to all the people who made and released these awesome resources for free. I would like to thank Sri Krishna Baukar sir for giving me this opportunity and guiding me. Thank you everyone. Here I added one good thought. All our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. Thank you. Any questions you can contact on 9960225455, or you can mail at krishnabaukar@gmail.com. Thank you.